Sir, do you personally know Matobato, sir?
Hindi.
Pero nakita niyo na po siya, sir?
I don't remember. Kasi lahat ng kagaya nito, when I was mayor, the one providing the security, puro police. Kita mo naman, itong driver ko, police. Ang sila Sani, but Sani, yung si Binaventura, when he retired, he was removed from my security. Puro police talaga to. And one time, may mga military men assigned also. I think they're still with yung sa ibang ano ko. The police, because of the threat against my life, and maybe my family at time provided security for my family, and even the military pitch in.